Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in accurately mapping and measuring the physical features of a particular area. In Ahamedpur Chauroli, these surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and infrastructure development taking place in the region. The topographical surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are well equipped with the knowledge and tools required to conduct detailed surveys, ensuring that accurate data is collected and analyzed for various projects. Ahamedpur Chauroli is experiencing significant growth in terms of residential, commercial, and industrial developments. As a result, there is a need to understand the existing topography of the area to facilitate proper planning and construction. Topographical surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are experts in using advanced techniques such as asDGPS, Global Positioning System, and LiDAR, light detection and ranging, to capture precise data about the terrain, elevation, contours, and other physical features of the land. The role of topographical surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli goes beyond just mapping. They also provide valuable insights and recommendations based on their surveys. This information is vital for architects, engineers, and developers who rely on accurate topographic data to design and construct buildings, roads, pipelines, and other infrastructure. With their expertise, these surveyors ensure that projects are executed efficiently, minimizing risks and optimizing resources. SCON Design is one of the leading firms providing topographical surveying services in Ahamedpur Chauroli. Their expertise extends to various sectors including real estate, construction, land development, and urban planning. Firms like SCON Design have established themselves as trusted providers of topographical surveying services in Ahamedpur Chauroli, offering expertise and state-of-the-art technology to meet the growing demands of the region's development. In order to precisely map and measure the physical features of a certain area, topographical surveyors are essential. These surveyors are in great demand in Ahamedpur Chauroli because of the area's rapid infrastructure development and urbanization. The topographical surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli have the skills and resources necessary to carry out thorough surveys, ensuring that precise data is gathered and analyzed for various projects. There has been a tremendous increase in residential, commercial, and industrial construction in Ahamedpur Chauroli. In order to ensure proper planning and construction, it is necessary to understand the area's current topography. Topographical surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are professionals at gathering exact information about the terrain, elevation, contours, and other physical properties of the land using cutting-edge methods like DGPS, Global Positioning System, and LiDAR, light detection and ranging. In Ahamedpur Chauroli, topographical surveyors play a function that extends beyond simple charting. On the basis of their polls, they also offer insightful commentary and suggestions. The design and construction of buildings